Hello everyone. In this session, we'll do some numerical problems related to measures of central tendency. Now we will go into the session. So in this session, we will solve some of the numerical problems related to measures of central tendency. So the very first problem, it is given as if there are three observations, 15, 20, 25, then find the sum of the deviations of these observations from its arithmetic mean. So primarily what we will do is we will just consider these observations as x like this. I'm going to consider this observation, that is 15, 20 and 25 as observations. So there are three observations. Question is asking us to find the sum of what? Sum of deviations. Deviations means of these observations from its arithmetic mean. X of its deviation means how much the observations are getting distanced from its arithmetic mean. So I need to find out this equal to what? That is what we are going to find. So in this, if we look into, we need first arithmetic mean. So let me do the totaling of this. If I total this, I get 60. So therefore, our x bar, which is summation x divided by n, which is nothing but the arithmetic mean. So 60 divided by 3, because there are three observations, n is 3. So we get the result as 20. Now, in order to find out this x minus x bar, I'll create one more column. X bar, we just calculated, it is 20. So 15 minus 20, it becomes negative 5. 20 minus 20, it is 0. 25 minus 20, it is 5. So the result, if I add all this, I will get 0. So this will always be 0 actually, not for these observations in general. How? We'll also prove it, how it is always 0. Let me consider the left-hand side. Left-hand side of this is summation x minus x bar. Now let us take this summation inside the brackets. What will happen is it will become sum x minus sum x bar. Sum x, I can consider this sum x here. That means I can cross multiply this n into x bar. So I can write the first term as n times x bar. Now what do I mean by the second term? It is summation x bar. It means x bar plus and so on x bar. Means you are adding x bar like that. How many are there? There will be n x bar. That means this is n x bar. This will also be n times x bar. So the result is 0. So this is one of the properties for the above is one of the property of arithmetic mean. Means summation of x minus x bar is always 0. That is the property. Now let us proceed with the next question. Next question is, what is the median of 5, 8, 6, 9, 11, 4? We had already seen the definition of median. If I have to find out the median, first is I need to arrange the observations in ascending order. Means among all these things, I should write the least number first, that is 4, then 5, then 6, then 8, then 9, then 11. We may notice that the number of observations are 6, so n is 6. After arranging it in ascending order, what is median? Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2th value, which means it is 6 plus 1 by 2th value. So 7 by 2, it is 3.5. So it is actually 3.5th value. If I have to find 3.5th value, I need to consider the average of third value and the fourth value. Average, so I have to add those third and fourth value divided by 2. Here the third value after arranging it in order is 6 and fourth value after arranging it in order is 8. So if I divide it by 2, I get the answer as 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is nothing but 7. So our median for this problem is 7. Now let us move on to the next question. Next question is, what is the modal value for the numbers 5, 8, 6, 4, 10, 15, 18, 10? First of all, if I have to find the modal value, means it is mode they are asking. They are asking us to find mode. Mode, the definition is, it is that observation which occurs the maximum number of times. Since the number of observations here, it is only 8 observations, 4 plus 4, 8 observations. Visually, you can identify what is the observation which is occurring the maximum number of times. We may notice that 5 occurs only once, 8 occurs only once, 6 occurs only once, 4 occurs only once, 10 occurs 2 times, 15 occurs only once, 18 occurs only once. So the only observation which occurs the maximum number of times is 10. So I can say mode for this problem is 10. I can also write since it occurs the max number of times. In this case, it is 2 times. That is 2 times. So that 10 becomes your mode for this problem. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.